Thanks for checking out our channel. Stick around for a special message.
Good medical morning. Robert Pershing Wadlow was born on February 22, 1918, and was the tallest man in recorded history. Also known as the Alton Giant and the Giant of Illinois, he was an American who became famous as the tallest person ever in human recorded history for whom there is irrefutable evidence.
I'm Robert Wadlow, 7 feet tall, 12 years old, and I weigh 240 pounds. These boys grouped around me go to the same grade as I am.
Wadlow's size began to take its toll. He required leg braces to walk and had little feeling in his legs and feet.
Nearly 2 feet taller than NBA All-Star center Shaquille O'Neal is today. And the world could barely accommodate him.
I had a duck to go through all doorways. No room on a bus, no room on a train, no seats, airplane.
Despite these difficulties, he never used a wheelchair. Wadlow became a celebrity after his 1936 U.S. tour with the Ringling Brothers Circus. In 1938, he did a promotional tour with the International Shoe Company, since 1966 called Interco. They provided him his shoes free of charge. Wadlow reached 8 foot 11.1 inches, or 2.72 meters in height, and weighed 490 pounds at his death at age 22. His great size and his continued growth in adulthood were due to hyperplasia of his pituitary gland, which results in an abnormally high level of human growth hormone.
Well, I guess if you let me get started telling you about Alton, I never could stop. Because Alton has a great deal of historic interest, and I know most of it.
He showed no indication of an end to his growth even at the time of his death in 1940. What may be most impressive is that Wadlow stood a full 8 inches taller than the tallest living man today. When it comes to height, nobody comes close to the Alton Giant.
Bodybuilders take protein to build muscle, and people take vitamin C to help prevent colds. Your brain is the most complex structure in your body, but it is probably lacking specific nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Brain Gains gives you those essential nutrients and helps with memory and focus. It is an advanced multivitamin designed to support healthy cognitive ability. Check out the Amazon link below and try Brain Gains for yourself. It will boost your energy, clear out the fog, and help your memory.